Hey everyone! Welcome back to For Real with me, Anna. Today, we're diving into something that can turn your day upside down, losing your iPhone when it's in silent mode. Do you know the feeling when you're chilling on the couch or even when your kids' playtime becomes a frantic search? Don't worry, I've covered you with this helpful guide on finding your lost files. It works for your iPads, Apple Watches, and even Macs. Before we get into the hunt, let's start at the very beginning. You need to set up the magic tool. Find Me on your device, and trust me, it's a lifesaver when your phone plays hide and seek. First, fire up your iPhone's Settings app, tap on your Apple ID at the top, and then scroll down to the Find My section. Once you're there, tap on Find My iPhone and ensure it's switched on. If you want an extra boost, turn on the option to send your phone's last location when it's about to run out of battery. This step is essential because if you haven't set it up before your phone goes missing, you're out of luck digitally tracking it. Now, let's say your phone is lost and in silent mode. Don't panic because there's an easy fix. Jump on your Mac or Windows computer and sign into your iCloud account using your Apple ID. Once you're logged in, look for the Find My icon and click on it. You'll see an option to view all your devices. Pick your iPhone from the list and a small window will pop up. In that window, you'll find an option that says Play Sound. Go ahead and click it, and even if your phone is silent, Apple overrides that setting so your phone starts ringing loudly, making it way easier to find. If you're using family sharing, this next part makes things smoother. Any family member of your sharing group can sign into their iCloud account and help track down your lost iPhone. The steps are the same as what we discussed on iCloud. So if you're ever in a bind, ask someone in your family to log in and use the Play Sound feature to locate your phone. It's a great way to turn a little crisis into a team effort. Before we jump into the following steps, I want to take a moment to remind you to hit that like button, subscribe to For Real, and leave a comment down below if this video is helping you out. It keeps us motivated to bring more simple tech tips your way. Now let's explore another terrific way to locate your iPhone in silent mode. If you have another Apple device like an iPad or a Mac, you can use the Find My app directly on that device. Open the app and navigate to the Devices tab where your iPhone is listed. Tap on your iPhone and then hit the information icon. Once you're in, tap Play Sound and watch your lost iPhone come to life with its loud ring. If you need extra help, you can click on directions so that the app guides you straight to your phone. When you finally catch up with it, tap OK to turn off the sound. Sometimes, life happens and we forget to enable Find My before our device goes missing. If your iPhone isn't set up with this feature, tracking it becomes a real challenge. Unfortunately, without Find My activated, there isn't a direct way to track your phone digitally. In these situations, you must go old school and retrace your steps around your home or car until you spot it. In the worst-case scenario where you can't find your iPhone, protecting your personal information becomes the top priority. Start by removing the lost device from your list of trusted devices using the Apple ID website. Once there, select your iPhone and hit Remove at the bottom. It's also wise to change your Apple ID password immediately. Beyond that, if your phone might have been stolen, you should contact your mobile network provider and even inform your local law enforcement, providing them with your phone's serial number if you have it. In this digital age, securing your data is as important as finding your phone, so change passwords for your social media and email accounts too. For those of you with insurance like Apple Care Plus or similar plans, contact your provider to see about a replacement device if your iPhone is really gone. This is just another reminder that being prepared can save you a lot of hassle later. There's no harm in setting up all the safety nets while you still have your phone in hand. That wraps up our deep dive on how to locate your lost iPhone even when it's in silent mode. I hope this step-by-step guide has made everything clear and easy to follow, and that you now feel equipped to handle this kind of tech mishap. Thanks for tuning in to For Real, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment with any questions or additional tips you might have. Until next time, take care and keep your devices safe.